If you've misplaced your phone, you can use your Samsung Galaxy Watch to ring your phone to help locate it. Here's how. Swipe down from the very top to open the Quick menu. Then swipe to find the Find Phone icon, which looks like a phone with a magnifying glass. Tap it, and your phone should now start ringing loudly. Once you find your phone, swipe on the pop-up on your phone to stop the ringing. Note, this feature is intended to help you find your phone if you've lost it somewhere nearby, as the Galaxy Watch uses Bluetooth to ring your phone. If you cannot connect to your phone, you'll get this cannot connect error. If you've misplaced your phone somewhere far away, you should instead use the Google Find Hub website to locate your lost phone. Access this tool by going to google.com/android/find, then log in to your Google account. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.